Welcome everyone! You're wondering how to get a kill with the heavy melee attack. What on earth is that? Well, it's actually really simple. So this applies to all knives other than a ballistic knife. So if I just switch to my knife here, you have two attacks. You press the shoot button and it does a swing. But when you press the aim down sight button, so imagine you're aiming down sight your gun, you can see it does this aim down sight with the knife, and then when I release, it does that special attack. That is what the heavy melee kill is. So it doesn't matter what melee you have. Let me show an example. So you can see it plays that little animation and then it kills the enemy. When you see that animation, that counts to the 5 total. So you can see I just got the transgression camo. It really is simple. Just use a smoke, use the regular knife, or something else if you want, and you're gonna get this one nice and quickly. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to, so if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.